my name is Mdevaan. Thank you so much for checking out my channel today. Today I'm making a meal I love to eat, very simple but like a slightly elevated version, boiled yam and palm oil. So what you want to do is make sure that your yam is boiled soft. You guys have boiled yam plenty times on this channel, so I don't want to go into details. Just boil your yam or your potatoes. This sauce is actually like very versatile. Boil your yam or your potatoes and you're good to go. All you have to do is wait for your yam to boil, poke it with a fork or a knife, and once it goes through and is as soft as you want, your yam is ready and set. You could allow your water to dry if you want your yam to be very soft, especially if you're cooking yam right now. This was filmed in July 2021, so if you're cooking yam right now, yam is a bit tough, so if you want it soft, let it boil. I am using handmade sweet fresh palm oil made from my mother's farm. So I'm just using 1 spoon of this, and then I'm going to add my onions, chopped onions, and chopped fresh peppers. Once my oil bleaches a little, you don't want it to over bleach, you don't want it to lose that redness, that thickness. You can actually do this without bleaching it, but we're extra on this channel, so we need to do extra things. So you're going to put in your chopped onions. If you want to like really elevate, add garlic, add ginger. Oh gosh, but I'm keeping it today as simple as possible. This is the easiest sauce that I ever make. Onions, seasoning, fresh pepper, and you're done. Now you can either let your onions cook or you can put it off immediately. I just let mine cook a little because I'm not like a fan of raw onions except in a salad, which is even optional for me. So yeah, that's about it. Ta-da! Your special boiled yam and palm oil sauce is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. I love you.